Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, we're going to discuss one of the biggest questions in the world of AI and quantitative trading. Can AI replace the million-dollar quants working at hedge funds like Millennium, Citadel, and Bridgewater? At first glance, the answer seems obvious. AI is becoming powerful enough to disrupt almost every industry, so replacing highly paid quant traders sounds like the next logical step. But according to someone who actually works as a quant, the reality is far more complicated. Let's dive in. The hedge funds like Millennium, Citadel, and Bridgewater are known for hiring some of the smartest people in finance. Now that AI is becoming powerful enough to disrupt almost every industry, it's easy to assume that AI could replace quants, the highly paid professionals who build algorithms to generate profits from the stock and crypto markets. For anyone who doesn't know what quants do, they're a group of incredibly intelligent PhD graduates who specialize in crunching numbers and building algorithms to identify patterns and generate significant profits through high-speed automated trading. The top quants can earn well over $1 million a year, depending on their performance. There are two types of quants: quant researchers and quant developers. The main difference is that quant developers also know how to code in languages like Python, C++, and other programming languages. With AI advancing so quickly, many people assume these highly paid quants can simply be replaced. But one of my quant friends told me that, in reality, it's not nearly that simple. This year, a Tier 1 trading firm hired a team of top Google AI experts to build an AI quant trader within the company. After several months of development, they eventually shut the entire project down. Now, AI certainly has some obvious advantages. Compared to traditional machine learning models, large language models have access to much broader training data from many different sources. Traditional machine learning usually trains on labeled datasets from a much narrower range of data. AI can also monitor markets around the clock and continuously fine-tune algorithms using real-time data, while human quants only have a limited number of working hours each day. They also need breaks, vacations, and time away from work. And, of course, there's the cost. Comparing a $20 ChatGPT subscription to a quant earning over $1 million per year seems like an easy decision. But that's not really a fair comparison. An AI quant still requires extensive training on proprietary code bases, historical trading datasets, and internal research before it can develop effective trading strategies. And that's where the challenges begin. The biggest concern is privacy and intellectual property protection. Trading firms spend millions of dollars and many years developing proprietary trading strategies. If an AI system gains access to those valuable assets, there's a significant risk that their competitive advantage, or their alpha, could be exposed or leaked. If that happens, they may lose the very edge that makes them profitable, which could eventually force the firm out of business. The second challenge is that AI still hallucinates. No one can completely predict or eliminate hallucinations. If an AI creates or modifies a trading strategy based on incorrect reasoning, it could result in millions of dollars in losses and potentially bring down the entire firm. The final challenge is similar to what we're seeing with AI tools used in highly regulated industries, such as law and finance. Whenever AI is deployed in these environments, it still requires human oversight, supervision, and accountability. My quant friend told me that a few years ago, he never believed AI could replace him. But today, he thinks it could happen under one important condition. The AI must always be supervised by an experienced quant. It also needs to clearly explain the reasoning behind every strategy it generates. Only then would it make sense for firms to combine human expertise with AI. Overall, I think this is very similar to the claim that AI will replace software developers. From my own experience using AI coding tools as a former developer, and after speaking with many experienced engineers, I don't believe AI will completely replace programming jobs within the next 2 years. Programming involves much more than simply writing code. It requires setting up development environments, designing data models, debugging, testing, deployment, maintenance, monitoring, and long-term support. Building software isn't like creating a simple website that runs by itself forever. Real-world software always needs developers to maintain it, fix problems, improve performance, and keep everything running smoothly. I hope all of that makes sense. That's it for today's daily AI insights. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments what AI topics you'd like me to cover next. I read every comment, and I'll do my best to reply to as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.